Hello everyone. As we can see, the D-Day is just knocking on the door. We don't know what is game-based aptitude test. कुछ तो है. What they will ask. Don't know. Why they like squares and circles and triangles and pentagons. And जवाब सिर्फ एक playlist में है. Here you can find figure counting, images, matrix completion, grouping, paper folding, cutting, punching, picture series, 5 and 4 figures, analogies of all the 5 types, jigsaw puzzles, construction, embedded figures, rule deduction, dot situation, missing numbers, number test, ranking test, and many more things. Just download the playlist Preparing for the Future. Link is given in the description below. Subscribe to the channel, stay connected, hit the bell icon. You are the next Capgeminian. Best wishes from MJ's Maths and Stats. This is Mohit Jain.